north side can be considered a lot of things to a lot of people. From the wheelers and dealers, to the athletes, to the aspirational people, to the killers, to the crackheads, to everybody, right? The mothers and kids. It could be considered a lot of things. It could be considered safe, a place of familiarity, dangerous. But one thing it's considered to me is home. From the Hostess Bakery smells at 7 o'clock in the evening every day to playing Matthew Dickey, or playing at Matthew Dickey, to arguing with people from Herbert Hoover. You feel me? But that's what made us. And ever since that tornado, it feels like they trying to forget about us. So these films or these videos are here to give y'all a glimpse into the people that are born, bred, and still live here. So as I sit on the porch of the house that I grew up in, and I almost was born in, except for it's right across the street, I bring to you, this is the North.
I'm Cori Bush. I'm your forever Congresswoman, and I am just, here always, to support the people of St. Louis, to support this district, to support those who have the greatest need. We start with folks who have the greatest need, and one of those, groups of people right now, all of our loved ones and neighbors who have been most directly impacted by the tornado. Folks were impacted by floods. Folks have been impacted by so much that, we're just vulnerable to. And, when I think about just the work that we started on the ground right after the tornado, it was really just jump in mode. It was just get in where you fit in and fix what you can fix and help who you can help, trying to just do all the things and just wishing you could do more. And now that we are, several months out from the tornado, we have to not only contend with those who are still hurting, but those who are still, living in tents or living in hotels, those who are living in homes that don't have electricity or don't have gas. We also have to think about the rebuilding, but we also have to think about making sure that should another storm come, how do we make sure people are okay, especially those who are still trying to rebuild. And so I just want you to know that I'm always here. People reach out to me in my direct messages, and, asking for help. I do what I can. I'm not in office at the moment, but whatever I can do, like I'm here to do. And I just want to say shout out to everybody who's been continuing to do the work, who's been out, like Larry over here has been out since May 17th, out serving food right here at Newstead and Ashland, and that will continue. Dr. Punch out here with the Oasis. You can come out here and get you some acupuncture, get you some food, get you some rest, some relaxation, get you some techniques. We need that because trauma is real. Don't let anybody tell you that it's not. Trauma is real, and let's get help and let's get healed. So St. Louis, I love you, and your forever Congresswoman is here.
What's the word, y'all? I ain't went live in a couple days, just letting you know we still out here. Got my buddy here. But we still out trying to help the community. I'll show y'all the progress of everything.
We're still trying to help and give food to everyone. And I'm literally praying for the people that got hurt and didn't.
Yeah, there you go.
And so they will live a longer life.
Yeah, what she said.
Sisters with Disabilities and the Pot Bangers present the Candy Costumes and Cinema Movie Night Coat and Winter Accessory Drive. Help us keep St. Louis warm this Halloween by enjoying a movie and donating a new or gently used coat and winter accessory. Proceeds will be supporting families and tornado survivors of the May 16th disaster. On Halloween, that's Friday, October 31st, come out to the MX Theater at 618 Washington Avenue on the second floor. Doors open at 5:30 p.m. There will be popcorn, candy, and movies for the family to enjoy. The admission is $5 or free with the donation. That's October 31st. Halloween is on a Friday, y'all. Come out to the MX Theater at 618 Washington Ave on the second floor. See you soon.